Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Inflatable pillows may allow for more cushion and can fold to a smaller size, said Dimitriou, adding that because of this, they won't take up too much space in your luggage. While the different materials can make it easier to find a more comfortable fit, non-inflatable pillows tend to be bulkier than inflatable ones.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Everyone has a strong opinion about what works for sleep. Travel pillows, Smith says, are not necessarily bad. They're not going to cause any harm. The rounded back doesn't conform easily with the seat back, and the pillow doesn't compress for easy packing, unless you have an inflatable one.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.